250 hard. All right, guys, I just got done checking out the comments on the first start video. The video already has over 400 comments, and it hasn't even been a full day. For my videos, that's crazy. So thank you to everybody that watched. All the comments were positive. And yeah, man, I just really appreciate all the comments. If I didn't get to your comment or I don't get to your comment, I do apologize, guys. I just can't keep up with it anymore. But I wanted to make a quick video and show you guys that I did get the HPI working, and I'm about to do something crazy here. I'm going to start this motherfucker with flip-flops on. That's right. I just want to show you what a difference it makes when something is timed properly. This thing is still, you know, a tough kick. It's got a lot of compression, but it is not what it used to be. If you saw the video, this thing was kicking back like a mofo. Oh! Oh! And I knew I was gonna get a bunch of shit for, you know, people saying like, oh, you're kicking like a girl, or you gotta kick all the way through. But I really was, you know, I do know to do that. And, you know, granted, I don't know this machine, but this Kickstarter was literally stopping my weight and momentum on some of the kicks. Like, you couldn't even kick it all the way through. It was wild, man. Like, I think in the video I showed too, like, the play and the kicker, it should be okay. I'm gonna repack it with grease. This is the original kicker, and it had play in it to begin with, but it definitely got a little bit worse. It's just crazy how hard I was kicking this thing, man. I thought I was going to snap this damn Kickstarter off. So now that it's timed, it should start really easy. It's been starting first kick. Some people were asking what this green bottle is for. That's just to collect any gas that drips out. You know, when I'm tuning a carb, you know, a lot of times, especially I was playing with the bowl height, or the float height rather, so sometimes you leak a little bit. That just kind of helps prevent the mess. So you can see I got the HPI on there. I did run a second ground wire that's even thicker than the one that came from the factory, and I think that made a big help with making the spark a little bit stronger. So I do have a video that I made reinstalling the HPI the correct way. I'm working on that today. It should be live, I would say tomorrow. I think that's a safe bet. So let me get this thing fired up. I'll show you. It is cold. This first kick. All right, now I could be making a huge mistake here because this thing is still hard to kick, but I have to prove that I can start this thing with flip-flops. Yeah, I'm talking to you, two-stroke tripod. Nice and cold. HPI, baby! So I did do a little bit of jetting. The pilot needed to be dropped down to a 42. And the main is now a 178. Before I did any jetting, I think it was a 52 pilot and a 182 main. I left the needle the same. My air fuel mixture is out 1.5 turns, and it seems to be running pretty good. It looks like it's a little bit rich, but that's okay. I'm also running that VR8 EIX Bosch cross-reference spark plug, and my gap is 18 thousandths of an inch. Whew, my God, that sounds good. Love this thing.